Hi there, it's Pyle from Chart. In this video, I will concentrate on templates. So, in my opinion, templates is a killer feature of Chart. So, let's see how it could help design teams or individual contributors to make your work with data visualization, data prototyping really fast. So, let's see what templates are. So by default, if you are new, you don't have any templates. So let's start with creating new one. Okay, let's name it new template. It's okay. And click add template. So we will have one. And by default, you will have default settings for colors, for settings to specific chart type, labels, and grid. So we have checked all settings in the previous video about manual settings. You could go and see information about every setting in the template. So let's check another option. So for example, you want to have only, for example, these colors in your chart, and we can click save. Okay, it's here. And if we go to another chart type, you will see that data is different. Why we do it this way? So in the previous version of templates, we had the same colors for every chart type. It was a problem because if you want different color palettes for line chart and for bar chart, for example, there was no way to do it. So in the next version, in this second major version of chart, we divided styles for every chart type. So you could customize and set up it differently. But also, if you want all your charts be the same for all chart types, you could just click this link, this button, apply styles to all chart types. So this feature will just copy your colors from selected chart type to another ones. So let's do it. Okay, styles applied. And if we go to, for example, vertical bar chart, we will check and see that colors are the same. So if we go to, if we click save and go there and go back, we can check, for example, pie chart and see colors are the same as for line chart. So what else we could do? We could have as many different templates as we want. So let's create new one and check it and say it second template. Okay, and here I want these colors. Okay, it will be not really dark. Okay, pastel ones. And I also will apply it to other chart types and click add. Okay, if we go here, we will see the colors the same for all different chart types. So we did two templates, but for example, you are not sure that styles that you have created are good for you. So how to experiment with it, how to change it, etc. So the tip that I could give you is update feature in our plugin. It will help you to experiment with your styles faster. So what we can do? We can create simple chart, for example, with two lines, go to settings and select our new template. So we will experiment with this template. Okay, Okay, we have our colors, etc., but I want lines be straight. I don't want dots, and I want my labels will be with different font. So what we can do, we can go to templates, go to our new template, and go to line chart setting. I want this straight. I want to remove dots. Okay. And I want labels be not Helvetica, but for example Roboto. And for font style, I want bold. Okay. And I want to share these settings for all chart types that have labels, for example. So we do it this way and click Save and Close. So if we go back to check, we also will have Roboto bold, and for example, vertical bar chart, it will be the same. And for settings, if we go to line chart to check, we have always straight and without dots. Okay, so we updated template and we want to see how it could look. So instead of creating new line chart, you just click one button or even use shortcuts in Sketch. So we can see how it changed because if you created your chart with template inside it, it will save this information inside the chart. And if you change settings of your template, it will and update it, it will automatically sync new styles to this chart. So this way, this option will give you really really fast experience with experimenting with templates. So what we could do with templates also, we have here default. What does it mean? So if this template have default mark, uh, it will be used by default in creation mechanism. So for example, we will check and make this template default. Okay. And if we create new chart, sorry, and go here, we will see that default template is second template. So this setting you can use for your default template. And if you are in a team, so if you changed default template, all your teammates also will have this option by default. So you can control what templates your team are using. So that's all for templates. If you want questions how to use it more effectively, or for your or how to set up your charting library inside your design team, inside your product, don't hesitate to ping me on Twitter or Slack. I'm always available and I will help you to set it up together. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.